using the curious accent. Welcome, Jafar. You came to die. So that time those kind of sentences I have already divided two sentences. You came to die. That means you came here to die. No, somebody else suggests me that no, that is wrong because he using his own accent, just it came to die. That is sometimes I'm curious. Some incident I have gone through this kinds of thing. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a funny incident.
Yeah. Yeah. Good evening. Very good evening. How are you, Sangavi? Your your name. Yeah.
Sangavi.
What's the actual pronunciation of your name? Sangavi.
Sangavi.
Sangavi. Yeah. Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, cool.
And
No problem.
and how are you?
So, how are you doing? I'm doing great.
Yeah.
Thank you for asking, Jafar.
Yeah. I'm doing obviously great, and everything is fine here, and all right, everything. And
That's good.
yeah.
So, I think with the same answer, we'll just jump into the session topic.
Yeah.
So the session topic is on unexpected situations. Are you comfortable with the topic?
Expected challenges. There is any difference, kind of difference, because I have already spoken this topic, unexpected situation, maybe unexpected challenges or
Yeah.
situation. I can remember that one, but maybe I have spoke already.
Okay, then no problem. We'll just switch to another topic. Maybe you can tell me, introduce yourself, and then we'll pick up from there.
Yeah, of course. Basically, I'm from West Bengal. uh, if you ask me what my profession, just for my living, I am a car driver and I'm trying to improve my skill. And apart from this, you can consider me a entrepreneur, that I have one YouTube channel, and sometimes I have been working with my YouTube channel. So
Wow, amazing.
yeah, yeah. And I'm here basically to record this session for my YouTube viewers. They keep learning to conversation, and many of them want to get review about this platform. So I want to represent it on my channel.
Okay, okay, that's cool. That's a cool thing to do. Okay.
Yeah.
So you said you were a driver. So
Yeah.
can you tell me about any interesting passengers that you've had or any stories related to that? I think that would be an interesting topic.
Yeah, I have one interesting thing. Always I'm thinking, and sometimes I trying to laughing. So I have got one passenger. He's from maybe England and British. So when I reached to the airport to fetch that person, so suddenly he came from the outside from the airport, and he told me that yeah, yeah, good morning, and he's asking me to that you came to die. What is so that time I was not confirmed that so much experience about this language. So using the curious accent. Welcome, Jafar. You came to die. So that time those kind of sentences I have already divided two sentences. You came to die. That means you came here to die. No, somebody else suggests me that no, that is wrong because he using his own accent, thus it came to die. That is sometimes I'm curious. Some incident I have gone through this kinds of thing. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's a funny incident.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, Jafar, do you travel to a lot of places?
Yeah. I have traveled so many kinds of places in our country
Mm-hmm.
because
So,
it's my
can you
profession.
describe one such trip? I'm sorry. Can you describe one such trip to me?
Yeah, I went to Mumbai and I went to Delhi also. Delhi, I have been twice or thrice maybe,
Mm-hmm.
and Nainital and Uttaranchal, and so many places I cannot remember because when I was child, that time it was my hobby. But
Okay.
nowadays I have some responsibility in my family, so I cannot able to go there. Just I keep journey with my work purpose. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any desire to travel to a particular place or a country?
So I have some some particular country I want to visit in future, in my future. That would be maybe European countries.
Hmm. So why European countries specifically?
Because I like most their culture and uh, their their they all of are humble, and sometimes I look for their cleanness, and sometimes I always watching the YouTube videos. So I'm thinking about there we have to visit those country. There are a lot of beauties area and many more things we can learn, and something is better than us. So I have to travel those countries. Yeah.
Okay. So any a specific country or any specific city or monument or historical places that you have in mind?
Yeah, I have, of course, I have mind. I want to visit USA, and there are one
Hmm.
place in and California. So I will have there. Yeah,
So you want to visit California?
yeah, California. Yeah,
Why?
yeah. Heard about a lot of things about this California because there are a lot of places. I think it's curious and sometimes it's unfamiliar. Our from our side. So as far as my experience that I have to visit there. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. So since you travel a lot, I'm guessing you're also interested in trying out different cuisines, right? Indian
Yeah.
cuisine, Italian, continental. So what is your take on cuisines? What is your most favorite cuisine?
Actually, you are asking for abroad or in our country?
No, anything, any cuisine. Like you even have South Indian cuisine, North Indian cuisine, so Chinese, which is also available in India. So what is your
No,
most favorite?
if you ask me in our entry, so I like most the South Indian culture, and South Indian they have I something I like them because their majority person are educated, and they know the second language in English better than any other state. So South Indian is, I think, like I think it's better than any other city and any other state.
Oh, okay. So what is your most favorite food?
From West Bengal. So I have already told to you that I am from Kolkata. So you heard about this Kolkata. So can
Yeah, fish, right?
could I
You
know?
guys are famous for fish.
No, could I know something about you? That where are you from? And
Yeah, sure. So I'm Sangavi and I'm from Pondicherry.
sorry, I didn't got your point.
I'm from Pondicherry. Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
Yes, that's right.
So where it is actually in our India? So I didn't heard about this city, no? Pondicherry.
Okay, it's a union territory which is next to Tamil Nadu. It's close to Chennai. It's a union territory. Yeah,
So
it's pretty small. It was a French territory.
what's your mother language, mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Tamil.
Tamil, yeah, Pondicherry, yeah. So that's
Okay.
great. And how have you been in Clapingo?
Uh, you asking me how long I've been in Clapingo?
Yeah, yeah. How long?
I'm not sure. I think probably close to 2 years. Yeah.
2 years.
Yep, that's right. I'm not exactly sure, but the approximate number is 2 years.
Uh, because this is my sixth session, so I don't have any more experience about this platform. So I I know some tutor, but suddenly I saw your slot. That time I book your slot because uh, if anyone in front of me that he is elder than me, so I think that he is superior. So I didn't got my confident level to talk with him or her. So that's the reason if I think that he's not like my superior as a friend, so I can able to get the more confident because to be honest, I don't have any. If you ask me in terms of my education qualification is very low. Yeah, and
I
I
think that
have been.
doesn't matter when it comes to speaking English, to be frank. Sorry to interrupt you,
Yeah,
but
of course, of
yeah.
course. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
So it
So
doesn't really matter actually.
yeah.
There are people with no educational qualifications, I mean, formally speaking, but who speak better English than people who are actually formally educated. So it actually makes no difference at all.
Okay, just I'm trying to learn English just before 1 month ago. So just I'm trying to improve myself. So that's the reason I'm
Ah,
here today.
yeah, you're in a good space. I
But
can tell you
I'm
that.
not. But I was not not as today before 1 month ago. Just I'm
Mm-hmm.
improving and trying to make to me just a good speaker. But my intention was not a good speaker, become a good speaker. But today I'm thinking that okay, no problem. If I will try, maybe it will be possible for me. That's the reason I'm here. Yeah,
It's definitely possible. And
yeah.
to be frank, your English is not that bad. It's good
Okay.
actually. You don't have to put yourself down. You're actually pretty good.
Yeah, maybe because I have just took one demo session. That time, this is the first time I am trying to a conversation with someone. Otherwise, I don't have any environment and I didn't got any chance to talk with anybody. This is the
Mm-hmm.
first time I'm in front of someone to make the conversation. This is the first video, and this is today is the sixth. So
Okay,
maybe
okay,
I will be achieve maybe.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, going back to the questions, we were
Yeah.
talking about food. So what's your most favorite food? Like, what type of
My
food is your
yeah,
favorite food?
type of food is if you ask me that food is sometimes biryani because I'm always went to the some kinds of places, so there are a lot of street food and I like most the sweet. One of the sweet in favorite on universal, I think that rasagulla. You heard about? I don't know that you heard about
Yeah,
this
yeah, I
kinds of
have,
food.
I have.
Yeah, it's an individual choice because most of the countries people are like our Kolkata sweets. So obviously it is
Mm-hmm.
my favorite food. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what is the longest travel trip that you've ever taken in your life?
Longest travel, I went to Dubai.
Okay, okay. How was the
Once upon a
experience?
time, yeah, I once upon a time I went to Dubai for 2 months, maybe for 2 months because there are my relative, my maternal uncle was there. So I was just 16 or 17, maybe. I cannot remember because it has already passed 12, 13 years. So I cannot remember properly. So that's my long trip. Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever traveled solo?
Solo, here many more places. I have ever solo travel. Yeah, you can consider me I'm a solo traveler. Yeah,
Okay. So you always travel solo.
yeah, always travel solo. Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think are the advantages or disadvantages of traveling solo versus in a group?
No, actually, if I will travel solo, I can get the more opportunity, and I'm I will with the I will with great freedom. And if I will make travel with my partner and with my uh, anyone, so I will not able to get the freedom. And if I'll think about anything, so I cannot do nothing without his permission on his permission. So if you go to the any other one, so we have to go there. It will be some expensive and solo traveler. As I wish that it will be different for me that I will have food or not, and it's good or not. It's a solo travel is company. Yeah, with a
Okay.
company. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So Jafar, I'll have to stop you here because we only have a few minutes to wind up the session. So for that, let's discuss the things that you need to work on. Okay.
Hmm.
So I think you mispronounced fetch in the beginning of the session. It's fetch. Okay.
Hmm.
So I see that you do not tend to complete sentences. You kind of break sentences. So you don't form a complete sentence. I think you'll also need to work on your sentence formation, like to make one coherent sentence. Okay. And I also see that you made some grammatical mistakes. For example, you said I always watching YouTube. Instead, it should have been I am always watching YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you also said it's curious. I think you meant I am curious because only a person can be curious. So you're curious. Okay. So you mentioned, you said, and I quote, it has already passed 16 years. I think you meant it has already been 16 years or it had already been. So the point here is you shouldn't use past, you should use been. Because past is not the right word in the sentence here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So overall, I'm sorry, go ahead.
No. Just you can complete your sentence because we don't have time, you know.
Yeah. So that's it. You just need to work on your sentence formation, your grammar, and forming of coherent sentences and complete sentences. So yeah, these are the 3 things that you'll need to work on.
Okay.
So do you have any questions for me, Jafar?
You told me that I have it has been 16 years is enough for the sentence.
Yeah, that's right. It has already been 16 years or it has been 16 years.
It's been 16 years. It's enough for this sentence.
That's enough.
Great. Okay. And I will try to impose myself to next tutorial.
Improve.
Pardon?
I'll try to improve myself, right? I'll try to improve myself.
I'm trying that I try to impose those tactics.
Oh, these changes. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.